Okay, I hope you can hear me over the screaming. Obviously, baby number 2 hasn't stopped crying. So, I'm going to show you how to get a baby on your back in a buckle tie when you're wearing a Mai tie on your front. First thing you need to do, I know, baby boy, lovely, lovely. Fasten it so you've got backpack straps. Connectors are worn flipped up, so I'm just going to hold it like this. I know, baby, I know. Okay. Snap it underneath the baby in front's bottom. Tight. Oh, no. Pick up baby number 2. Daddy. Oh, lovely. Lovely boy. Oh, honey pie. Oh, no. Oh, lovely. Okay, got baby number 2. Swing him onto my back. Don't worry, I'll make a video telling you how to do that at some point. Okay. I know, sir. Oh, good one. Okay, I've just put it on like a backpack. Tighten the straps. Check in the mirror. And there you've got it. 2 babies in a Mai tie and a buckle tie. And they've stopped screaming.